Okay, Venkatesh. So this is your first day session, correct? And
Yes, sir.
you took a first day session on, or we completed a session, a 1 hour session on BW and BW on HANA. Just a overview, just a high level overview about what exactly is a BW and what is roles and responsibilities, stuff like that. So how you felt about first day session, and what is
I'm
your level of
feeling
understanding, whether you are able to understand or not? Give me a prompt feedback so that we can use that to improve ourselves in the upcoming session.
okay, sir. I'm understanding good, sir, but I don't know some communication skills, so I'm understanding little bit only. Uh, I will.
See, main thing is
I
forget about communication skill. Okay, everybody will
okay, okay,
not be
sir.
a expert to speak a fluent English at the start. Okay, but at least you are
Okay, sir.
giving a try. Correct. That is
Yes, sir.
really important, and you are able to speak in English. One good thing is like you have not joined to a trainer where explaining in your regional language. Otherwise, you would have what keep learning in that language. But when you try joining a company or when you are attending an interview, it would have been difficult. Correct. One
Yes,
good
sir.
thing is like your uncle has such a trainer who is not a native Telugu speaking trainer, because your speaking language is Telugu or mother tongue is
Yes,
Telugu,
sir.
correct? So at least
Yes,
now
sir.
you will understand now more and more. You will face difficulties. You will go through the recording one more time or two more time, and then you will
Yes, sir.
understand, correct? And even doubts also
Sir.
you are asking in English only, right? So forget
Yes, sir.
about communication skill, right? You will become expert. Main thing is concept. You should be having a clarity. Once you have a
Yes, sir.
concept clarity, you will be able to explain, or you can explain even in broken English also fine. Okay, because nobody
Yes, sir.
expect you to be a expert in English. People are going to hire you to perform some technical work in BW or BW on another system. Okay, even if your English is little bit less also, you are not going to write thesis there, correct? You are going to build a model, and somebody has created that data. That data you are presenting in a report form after bringing to BW, correct?
Yes, sir.
So main thing is be technically strong. Once you are technically strong, once your confidence level increases and you are recently passed out from your education, right? So slowly, when you get into corporate life, you will understand better English. You will be able to speak better English fluently, and you will be able to express yourself. Okay, and
Yes,
don't
sir.
think like you have to use some complex English words and all. How the high school level student or primary school level student, you teach English, right? You try to explain that in a simple sentences. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I will first identify the data. I will create an object called data source. That data source I will use to get the data from a table. It will give as an output. Then I will replicate the data source from ECC to BW. Then I will create a info provider in BW. Then I might create a transformation. Then I will create a BEX report with the required column. Very simple English. Correct.
Okay, sir.
You don't have to be like high level vocalist for becoming any technical consultant. Okay, so main thing is
Okay,
like
sir.
try to learn, go slowly, try to read repetitively. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
do not stick to what I am going to teach. We are going to cover a majority of the topics which will help you to work as an independent consultant. Okay, but if we cover today BW system, OLTP system, OLAP system, some new words you might have heard, correct? Try to go and explore in Google. Take your laptop, sit for half an hour, not more than that. Every day, maximum 1 hour. If you sit and study, you will become expert.
Okay, okay, sir.
Generally, not many people will not sit even for 1 hour in their 24
I am
hours.
understand your class, sir, but I want more practice.
You have to practice. It's a first day session. Having
Yes,
this
sir.
clarity is more than enough. Even if somebody
Yes, sir.
hire you and put into a BW discussion tomorrow, at least you will be able to understand some 25 to 50% of what they are speaking. Not
Yes,
technically,
sir.
at least what they are speaking about the requirement, you will be able to understand. Correct. If you have
Yes,
that
sir.
level of information, more than enough. You don't have to understand 100% on day one, because you have not started anything technical. We have
Yes,
given a
sir.
overview about complete BW picture today. Slowly, we will introduce the technical topics. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then in that case, Venkatesh, thank you so much for attending today's session, and be proactive and keep asking more doubts. So ultimately, you are there to learn and I am there to teach. Okay. See you in the next session. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.